My whole career has been customer service related and making sure the customers are taken care of. And from what I see in Knapheide and what I've experienced, it's par none as far as superior quality, the workmanship, and the product is being dependable. I and my manager work with the Mercedes-Benz dealers throughout the United States, and that's working with them, helping them to secure their chosen chassis or van and making sure they equip with the right options and the options that would be beneficial for them, especially if they are going through our upfits. To hear the thanks and the praise once they get them and hear their clients tell them, please let them know this was great. So not only it builds the business for that dealer, but it also builds the business for us. If you're considering joining this company, you won't be steered wrong. You get to learn new things, from new products to new offerings. You get to learn how things are built. You get to learn a trade that can continue throughout your whole life. From bow all the way down, you just feel that closeness and you feel like you're part of a family, not just a company.